Welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning how to use Eaton ServiceRanger, the official software for Fuller transmissions. This covers UltraShift and Endurant automated gearboxes that fill modern trucks. Plug in a standard adapter and open ServiceRanger. The software detects the transmission automatically and shows the full product identity, including model, software level, and configuration. The fault code screen lists active and inactive codes with occurrence counts. Each fault links to detailed service information, so you go from code to repair procedure in a couple of clicks. In data monitoring, watch the transmission think. You see clutch position, current gear, and shift states live. This data shows whether a complaint is mechanical, electrical, or a calibration issue. The Service Activities menu holds guided routines for testing components, from range valves to the clutch actuator. Run them after any repair to verify the fix before the truck returns to service. After replacing a clutch, calibration is mandatory. ServiceRanger walks you through the process with a wizard. The transmission relearns the touch point, restoring smooth engagement and protecting the new clutch. ServiceRanger can also check whether the transmission software is current. Many drivability complaints are fixed by simply updating the TCM to the latest level. Always check before chasing hardware problems. Field tips for automated transmissions. Low battery voltage causes ghost faults, so check power first. Verify air supply on air-actuated models. And always read the data before throwing parts at a problem. And that is the ServiceRanger workflow for Fuller transmissions. We provide the full version with remote installation and activation support at diagramtechpro.com. Subscribe for more guides, and see you in the next video.